Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my July Crafty Bonbons box have arrived, and this month's theme is called Worry Less, Live More. So let's see what's in the box. So again, as you can see, it is wrapped in coordinating colors. Oh, this is lovely. You get a personalized, so when you like pre-order, or when you do, when you pre-order, they make it personalized, so you get some personalized items. Like this one, I get I've got like a vinyl, my name in vinyl vinyl sticker with my name on it, which is amazing. And then let's open up the, again, you can just feel, I can just feel it's crammed full of stuff. So you are always not disappointed with this box, as you have watched in previous things, previous videos. Right. Okay, the first thing, they give you you get loyalty cards, or they keep tabs of who buys who, and they give you something back after you've, I think your eighth box, you get something. They are doing like a voucher nowadays, which is a lot easier. And they also put Crafty Bonbons Facebook group, because they do discounts in there, giveaways, sneak peeks and all that. So that's the details, and I hope you can see it. Oh, stickers. Okay, these are like sticker seals, and I can see there's a letter envelope here, so I'm guessing that they will be part of a writing set. Just making sure. Okay, so you get 2 writing envelopes with some seals, sticker seals, and you also get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sheets of writing paper. Okay, letter writing paper. And then you get a purple ribbon. Oh my god, that's really gorgeous. Paper clip, or some sort of clip. It looks like a clothes peg clip, but you can use this for your journals. And then you get some washi stickers. So they're kind of like, oh, you know what? I love washi stickers. Oh my goodness, there's a lot in here. Okay, so you get ice cream washi stick, ice creams. That this would be perfect for my, don't look like washi stickers. Oh no, they're sticky notes. They're translucent sticky notes, it says. Really? No, they're not stickers. They're like vellum-y type thing. I don't know whether you, I guess you need to glue them. Oh, how cool. So you get 4 of each. Oh no, 5. That's 5. Is it 5? No, 4 of each. 4 of each image. So this you could use for your journaling. Oh my goodness, this ribbon is so adorable. Right, that's cute. And then you get another oh no. Right, hang on, let's attach this. So you get another vellum sticker, which says you totally got this, girl. I love it. And then you get a set of sticky notes, and I think this is vellum. Wow, vellum sticky notes. I've never seen that before. And then you get, obviously, again, they always put this like a packet of ephemera. Just one. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, that is me. That is my dog. I just want to be where you are. Oh my goodness. There's loads of ephemera in this. It says family. Ooh. Oh god, this is so gorgeous. Right. Let's put that onto one side, and then you get your washi sample cards. You get, oh, these are stickers that, yes, these are stickers, but like sticker notes, note things. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. And then you get journaling cards. Haters gonna hate. Stay strong. Lovely. And then you also get more stickers. It's like words of kind of encouragement. It's all in action. I love this. And then some die cuts. Oops. There's a sausage dog there, by the way. Oh dear. That's gorgeous. Love it. Love it. Oh. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it all. And then you get a packet of like Buffy stickers or perfume bottles or perfume. You get this, wonder whether there's more of this. You get a little, whatchamacallit, tag. You get a pen, a purple pen. Amazing. And I've always asked for an A5, not always, I randomly switch from A5 to B6 because I want to use it in my traveler's notebook at some point, so that's very cool. You get a washi tape. I don't know whether you can see that. And then a packet of buttons, coordinating buttons. As you can see, the color theme is like purple and pink-ish, which is amazing. It's lovely. And then you get, I always love their ephemera packet. Oh, love it. Hang on. Let's see. So you got that. Love this. Girls in coffee mugs or coffee cups. Oh, Converse. Love my Converse. Oh, amazing. Love that. And then you get another like washi stickers. You got a set of stickers. like washi stickers. And I think this is the one that she said it's a freebie. It might be the one that's a freebie. It's in keeping with the theme, but it's a freebie. And what's in this? Botanicals. Lovely. Oh my god, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Plants, botanicals. Oh, leaf. Beautiful. And then more ephemera. These are words. I think these are words. So you have that worry less and live more. One step at a time. I really love the Converse. Always be yourself. You glow, girl. Oh my god. These are gorgeous. Those two are, I'd say time and again, it's amazing. Oh my god. So these are the papers or the cards. This is made from a very good quality cardstock. It's like, these are single-sided. So these two are single-sided. This one is single-sided too, and again still made of cardstock. This one's lips, and this is a paper and single-sided. This one's like makeup and stuff, and that's double-sided. It's pink on the other side. And this, oh my lord, my goodness, this is so beautiful. And that's single-sided. Oh my days, I'm in love with this. That's it. Right, that's it, guys. That's my July CraftyBonbons box. And I do hope you like what I've shared. And don't forget to visit them at the Facebook group. Or not visit them, but join the Facebook group, because you will get the sneak peek of the next box in there. And there's discounts. So when you, check the Facebook group out, and I'll see you soon. Oh, by the way, before I go, I would like to thank all my new subscribers for coming down and supporting me and staying, and also my old supporters or subscribers are still here and continue to support me and watch my videos and stuff. And let me know if there's anything that you'd like me to do, and I'll try my best. I can't promise I might be able to do it, but I'll try my best. But here you go. I might do something, might do a journal page at some point using all of these items. Who knows? Right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Love you all. Bye.